Is your crypto feeling a little lost? Like a digital nomad without a forwarding address? You're diving into the world of Newton. Maybe you're trading your first Bitcoin or exploring the wonders of Ethereum, and suddenly you stumble upon this term, wallet key address. It sounds important, right? Like the secret handshake to your digital treasure chest. But what exactly is this Newton wallet key address? And more importantly, how do you find it, understand it, and keep it safe? That's exactly what we're going to unravel in this video. Forget the dry definitions and technical jargon for a moment. Let's think of your Newton wallet as a secure online bank account specifically designed for cryptocurrencies. Just like a traditional bank account has an account number to identify it, your Newton wallet has a unique identifier, its key address. Now, why is this address so crucial? Well, it's the cornerstone of all your crypto transactions within the Newton platform. Think of it as the destination code for any cryptocurrency coming into your Newton account. If someone wants to send you Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or any other supported cryptocurrency on Newton, they need your specific wallet key address for that particular asset. Without it, their digital coins will be wandering in the vast expanse of the blockchain, lost in translation, and definitely not landing in your account. Imagine trying to send an email without the correct recipient's address. It simply won't arrive. The same principle applies to cryptocurrency. Your Newton wallet key address is the precise digital location where your crypto assets reside within the Newton ecosystem. So, where do you find this all-important address within the Newton app or platform? Typically, it's located in the section related to receiving or depositing cryptocurrency. Let's walk through the general steps you might encounter. First, you'll likely need to navigate to your wallet or assets section within the Newton interface. This is where you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold or that Newton supports. Next, you'll need to select the specific cryptocurrency for which you want to find the receiving address. For example, if someone wants to send you Bitcoin, you'll need to select your Bitcoin wallet within Newton. If they want to send you Ethereum, you'll select your Ethereum wallet, and so on. It's crucial to understand that each cryptocurrency you hold on Newton will have its own unique wallet key address. You can't use your Bitcoin address to receive Ethereum, or vice versa. Doing so could result in the permanent loss of your funds, a digital disaster we definitely want to avoid. Once you've selected the specific cryptocurrency wallet, you will usually find an option labeled something like Receive, Deposit, or perhaps an icon that indicates incoming funds, often an arrow pointing downwards. Clicking on this option will typically reveal your wallet key address for that particular cryptocurrency. This address will usually be presented as a string of alphanumeric characters, a seemingly random sequence of letters and numbers. Don't be intimidated by its complexity. This is a security feature designed to make it virtually impossible for someone to guess your address. Along with the alphanumeric address, you'll often see a QR code. This is simply a visual representation of your wallet key address. Instead of manually typing out the long string of characters, the sender can simply scan this QR code with their crypto wallet app, ensuring accuracy and reducing the risk of errors. Now, let's talk about the different types of wallet key addresses you might encounter. While Newton aims to simplify the user experience, it's helpful to have a basic understanding. For Bitcoin, you might see different address formats like Legacy, starting with a 1, SegWit, starting with a 3, or Native SegWit, starting with BC1. These are different evolutions of the Bitcoin protocol, each with its own advantages, particularly in terms of transaction fees. Newton will typically provide you with the recommended address format for receiving Bitcoin on their platform. Similarly, other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum also have their own address formats, typically starting with 0x followed by a string of hexadecimal characters. It's vital to always ensure that the address you provide to someone matches the specific cryptocurrency they are sending and is compatible with their sending wallet. This brings us to a critical point: always double-check the wallet key address before sharing it. A single incorrect character can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Imagine typing in a bank account number incorrectly, the money goes to the wrong person. With crypto, there's often no way to retrieve it. So, whether you're copying and pasting the address or having someone scan the QR code, take that extra second to verify its accuracy. Think of it like this: your Newton wallet key address is public information in the sense that you can share it with others to receive crypto. However, it's crucial to understand that this address alone doesn't give anyone access to your funds. To actually send cryptocurrency from your Newton wallet, you'll need your private keys or other security measures like two-factor authentication. Your wallet key address is like your public mailbox. Anyone can send mail, in this case, crypto, to it. But only you, with your unique key, your private keys and security protocols, can open that mailbox and access its contents. It's also important to be aware of potential scams. Never share your private keys with anyone. Legitimate platforms like Newton will never ask for your private keys. Your wallet key address, on the other hand, is meant to be shared for receiving funds. If someone is pressuring you to share your private keys, it's a huge red flag. Furthermore, be cautious of address poisoning scams. In this scenario, malicious actors might try to trick you into sending funds to their address by subtly altering an address you've previously copied. This is why it's always best practice to verify the full address every single time you're sending or receiving crypto, even if you've transacted with that address before. So, to summarize, your Newton wallet key address is the unique public identifier for your cryptocurrency wallet within the Newton platform. It's essential for receiving crypto, and each cryptocurrency you hold will have its own distinct address. You can typically find it in the receive or deposit section of your Newton wallet, often presented as an alphanumeric string and a QR code. Always double-check the address for accuracy before sharing it, and remember that while it's safe to share your receiving address, you should never, ever share your private keys. Understanding your Newton wallet key address is a fundamental step in navigating the world of cryptocurrency. It's the digital handshake that allows you to receive the assets you're trading or investing in. By understanding its purpose and how to use it correctly, you're taking a crucial step towards secure and successful crypto transactions on the Newton platform. Remember to always use the correct address for the specific cryptocurrency you are receiving. Double-check every character. And never, under any circumstances, share your private keys. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.